Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles in private mode. This is a useful feature when you want to browse profiles without leaving a trace of your visit, which can be helpful for research or when you're exploring opportunities discreetly. First, open your browser and head to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully signed in before proceeding to the next step. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is the central hub where you can control all aspects of your LinkedIn privacy and visibility settings. Once the settings page opens, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll notice several categories listed there. Find and click on Visibility. This section contains all the options related to how you appear to others on the platform and how you can control your browsing behavior. Now, under the heading Visibility of your profile and network, you'll see an option labeled Profile Viewing Options. Click on it. This is where LinkedIn allows you to customize exactly how your profile appears when you view other people's profiles. It's an essential setting if you value your privacy while networking or researching. You should now see a section titled Profile Viewing. Here, LinkedIn gives you a few different options for how you want to appear when visiting other profiles. These options typically include showing your full name and headline, showing only limited profile characteristics, or browsing completely anonymously. Click the radio button next to private mode. By selecting this option, you're telling LinkedIn that you want to browse profiles without revealing your identity. Keep in mind that when you activate private mode, you also won't be able to see who has viewed your own profile. It's a trade-off that LinkedIn enforces to maintain fairness on the platform. And that's it. You've successfully enabled private mode on LinkedIn and can now view other profiles without them knowing you visited. This setting will remain active until you manually change it back, so you can browse freely for as long as you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.